Yep, time to give your old leotards a bit of a makeover. We're gonna be souping up these old leotards that I've got and trying to make them look good on you and wear them more. I don't know if it's gonna work, but we'll see. So I tend to usually like to make my leotards high cut, and I make sure that the line around my collarbones, matches my style. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. Tried making a cover. I was in the middle of a project here, but it didn't work. Oh well. Of the leotard. I really like the cut and the whole feeling of this bottom half, but I'm not sure about this line on my neck, so I'm gonna try to fix up here. I think I'm gonna mess around with this one a bit because I don't like this part. I don't know how to fix it though, which is my problem. I tried just pinching here just to make it like a straight line, and I thought that looks good, but it kind of makes it messy on the sides, so I'm just gonna play around with it a bit. So all along here, and you're gonna cut right here and fold it back so that you have that extra support and it's stronger than just having one layer. This whole thing going on here is a no for me. So I'm gonna give you my high cut hack. So that's the project of today. Hope you enjoyed following me and trying out some of those tips, because high cut leotards always looks good. Some of us like low cut. I'm not, you do you. Some days you feel it. So hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.